So, like you pointed out, right, like we have a huge community of Mi fans. In fact, I used to be a Mi fan and like test products for Xiaomi before I actually came into the company. One of the core reasons that one of the things that we actually have been doing is we basically talk to these Mi fans and figure out what are those two or three things that they're looking for. Case in point, let's say there are some of the technology that we wanted to introduce in the future. So we get a sense of like, a dipstick of what they understand about the product and sorry, about the technology, and how does it translate in their sort of like living room. I'll give you a point, right? I mean, consumers are the most demanding that we've ever seen at this point of time. They want the best stuff, and this is across different sections and categories in the pricing ladder. Gone are the days when when we started our journey, we used to have just single driver speakers. Now we have moved to 6 driver speaker designs. The speaker volumes have increased substantially. Like our QLED series that we have, those are like more than 200% bigger cavity, and that enhances your giving a fuller sound, and that's very critical. And along with that, when you pair it with not just the power output but also the technologies like Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos, DTS, Virtual X. There's so many technologies are out there. People look for all of these while doing their research. So if you come down to, say, for example, like me.com, or you go to Me Home, like others were saying, like we have demos where people can actually go and see while the content is played. And when you play the content, when you see that small ticker saying that Dolby Audio or a Dolby Atmos, that gives the people the confidence. Okay, this is the tech that I'm looking for, and that get that experience. So yeah, I mean, consumers, while we design the product, we take into factor things that obviously can work, and we take not just an educated guess, but we actually take the opinion of people before we even like put that into a product, say in future. So yeah, I mean, Me fans are a core to what we are and how we do things, and like I said, they have. I mean, you would be surprised at their knowledge, what they know all about all of this technology and what are the demands. So we assess what do they need, and while designing product, that's why you have several series, each catering to a different need. You have 2K series, 4K series, you have the QLED series, and across all of them you have different types of speaker boxes designs, and which comes with different types of audio technology. So and on top of that, we actually when we do our tests, we have our in-house team who actually go and like listen to hours and hours of music. And this is not just, say, your test tracks, right? These are actual stuff from your Netflix, your Disney Hotstar, your Z5, and then different music on YouTube. And we also invite some of the Me fans to listen to them and give them a feedback before it's like even like in a prototype stage. So we have done that with a lot of consumers when we have designed and taken their feedback and seen if there's something we can modify. And of course, before every product design, we actually run an internal program which is called the internal early access program, where we actually give these devices to get genuine user feedback. So the when the product is designed, it's not just in a lab, it's actually tested and tried in people's living room, in their home actual space. So you get that, none of our houses are actually like soundproof or no reflection, so they are very they're common. So what we do is we do that extra step before every product launch, and I can tell that for all smart TVs, we have been doing that for the last 3 years, and that gives us obviously the confidence that okay, what we have built is great, and will definitely go and do its wonder in the market.